Good news will always be good news. After receiving many of your comments, many of your responses on our socials, being that we're giving out the best, we're providing out the best, you're waiting for the best, we decided why not? Ladies and gentlemen, this very year, if you've never received any good news, this is gonna be your good news, your first good news. And if you've ever received your good news before, this is gonna be the best of the good news you're going to get in this year. This is one of the best good news. Ladies and gentlemen, Black Life is about to launch its latest smartwatch. We've been having the Black Fit 2. Now, they're going to launch the Black Fit 2S. It is a health monitor watch and it is a smartwatch. Note this, it is a health monitor watch, meaning people who like things concerning health monitoring, this is gonna be your watch. It's gonna be your must-get gadget. Talk about life. Life is one of the things you have to keep dearly. Life is one of the things which we have to value because we live once. That's the motto you all know. Now, Black Life has said, let's put back for our people. But the way you can get it on a discount, it is to pre-ordering it. So, let me tell you a few things about this watch. It is having the battery which is going to last for 15 days. Those are past 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 15 days. Now, leave alone the battery. It has the silicone tips on your wrist here. You feel nothing like sweating, nothing like itching. That is the power of silicone tips. It's gonna have sound, top-notch sound. If you're using it for media, maybe you're watching TikToks, maybe you're receiving an audio call from WhatsApp, this is going to be top-notch sound on that watch. Leave alone that. This watch has a 1-year replacement warranty. Many people give you products and once you take it 2 days, you're not returning it back. You get issues of batteries, what. Now, this watch won't have any issue, I'm telling you that. That's because it was given a high warranty. Because you're not going to find any issue with it. That my battery got a problem, my this got a problem. No. So they decided to give you a 1-year replacement warranty. So you're going to use it as the way you want. If there's a problem, you return it. But trust me, this is a top-notch gadget, a must-get gadget. Footballers, athletic people, bodybuilders, students, professional workers, engineers, this is your gadget. All you have to do is visiting www.blacklife.com. Make your pre-order using a code PRE139. PRE139. After doing that, you're going to be among the first 50 people to receive this gadget. Remember, this offer is only for the first 50 people. If you're among the first 50 people, you're going to own yourself a top-notch smart watch, which is a healthy monitor. Be among the first people, be among the first 50 people. Black Life, monitor your health, get top-notch gadgets.